Hey friends, Kat right here. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to label and organize your garage with duct tape and a Sharpie knife. Because I personally love things to be well labeled, kind of like this, and well organized. So if you came running up, you'd find your thing quick and easy. So stick around.
Hey friends, Kat right here. I help you beautify your home and yard, and man, I have fun doing it. So stick around, let's have some fun.
Okay guys, let me tell you this story. So some people think it's a little silly to make organized little labels like this, and the other day I was waiting in our car, in our Tonka, and Josh came running over and he said, "Where is the sprinkler supply?" And I said, "Go find it on the shelf." And he's like, What? I don't know. And so he came over here, he found sprinklers on this, and then he just looked inside of there, sprinklers, and he was able to find it like that quick, rather than running over here and trying to find it the best
You stole the opportunity, you stole the chance I had to dig through everything. I was waiting to come over here, turn every box upside down. She's strategically making my life more organized.
Yes, and he acts like he doesn't like it, but you know, deep down, I'm sure he loves it. So the main reason I started making these duct tape labels, to tell you the truth, is the yard chemicals. Because I personally use yard chemicals in my yard, obviously yard chemicals, and they slightly, I try to be very careful with them. I don't want to say they make me nervous, but I try to keep them.
You're not trying to make bombs in your house.
Yes, I try to be careful with them when I use them. I use gloves, I use face masks, but I just wanted them kept up here and kept them separate. So yes, that's when I first used the duct tape labels many years ago. And I finally realized how nice that is, so I made labels for basically my whole garage, and I've started to make them for the barn. So let me show you my barn. Here I am in my barn. It's a little bit dark in here because our electricity isn't working right now, but I have used that duct tape and the Sharpie to make this place a lot more organized. As you can see, we have chainsaws, we have hand saws, we got sawzalls and belt sanders. So if somebody came to my house and they came to my barn, came running in and they're just like, "Wait, where's her chainsaw?" Well, they could easily find it because I've got 4 chainsaws and they are all labeled along here. We got like really mini chainsaws, we got some older ones, and then we did just get our, oh, I love this thing, our Ego battery powered chainsaw. I'll put a link down below to show you which one that we purchased, but oh man, it has made this place so much better, so much more organized to have that duct tape. So I have toaster sticks and then also a Canopy. I don't have that Canopy anymore because I just broke it by the wind, or I shouldn't say I broke it, the wind broke it. But tell you the truth, I've had some of these up for many years. They've just been up on the wood, and if they were being pulled on and kind of rubbed up against a lot, I don't know how long they're gonna last, but that's the benefit of having it made out of duct tape, is you can just easily replace it. And yeah, so I'm kind of guessing some of it won't stay very long, but I don't totally know how long it will last. Okay, so duct tape can be used in so many ways, but some of it doesn't look too great, and honestly, this may not look the best.
Like
but
putting your car together, that doesn't look great.
Yes, like putting your car together. Yeah. But if you look at this, yeah, it has duct tape, but it's got like rags back, sprinklers, all these car supplies, so it's so very organized. Really. Yeah, you just have to take the duct tape, you take a Sharpie knife, and you draw whatever it is you want to draw on there. And
do you have to like hunt ducks, or do you have to drive an old Chevy or anything to use that?
You have to go on Amazon and order some duct tape. But yes, and another thing we did also use to organize this garage is these collapsible crates. I'll put a link down below to show you which ones that we purchased, but basically they're just crates that fold up and fold together, and they are really wonderful. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I have convinced Josh that labeling with duct tape and a Sharpie is very beneficial.
I don't know if she's really convinced me. I mean, it's yet to be determined.
Yes.
Duct tape.
But it's great. You can just easily replace it. So remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.